What's up, everybody? It is your boy, student Dr. Malachi Wright, and I'm back at you all with another video. And in today's video, I have something very exciting. I finally have gotten loupes. Yes, I know it's February the 18th, and I am in my spring semester of D2 year. And for those who don't know, I've gone through endo, I've gone through restorative dentistry, so like operative dentistry, and we're about maybe three-fourths or about halfway through our fixed prosthodontics course, and my loupes have just officially came in. So let's check it out. I'm doing a live unboxing with you guys. I'm gonna talk about the brand that I went with, why I went with them, and I wanna be giving you guys an update video a little bit later about how I like these loupes, or if I like these loupes at all, and more as to why I went with the brand I went with. So let's get into it, guys. You know, I spent so many days watching like unboxing videos and stuff on YouTube that it's kind of crazy that I'm doing an unboxing video for YouTube right now. For those who don't know, surgical loupes are eyewear, or like eyepieces that you wear when you do different dental procedures. They're not 100% necessary, but they do help you see things much clearly or clearer. And they also help you get the correct measurements that you need for certain procedures that you're doing. I'm quite sure that you can see on this package here that I went with the brand. The brand's name is Enova. I don't know if they're a new company or not, but a lot of people don't know about Enova loupes. And I'm definitely the person who is not going to get something just because everybody else has it, or get something because everybody doesn't have it. I really was shopping around to try to figure out where I wanted to invest my money in, because loupes are a really big investment. For those who don't know, loupes can be very expensive, obviously depending on the company you go with to get the loupes, but it's definitely something that you want to consider when you're going into dental school. But most of the time though, if you're buying loupes while you're in dental school, it is cheaper. So that is a caveat for students who are thinking about getting loupes. No, Siri, nothing right now. All right, so this is what the box looks like. See better, perform better. Congratulations on your new pair of custom-made loupes. As you acclimate to your loupes, we recommend keeping the following tips in mind. I'm gonna read through that stuff a little bit later. So this is what we got going on. I decided to go with, this looks like the light, but I decided to go with a different type of light. Most of the students who have Enova loupes have the light that goes around their neck. I personally just didn't like how that looked, so I got one that can strap to my pants. I just think it looks a little bit better, but yeah, that looks like this piece. So for transparency, these loupes cost me, I think it was around a little over $2,000. And I've been using the ones that I bought off of Amazon for like $30 for the past year and a half, and they've been working really well. It's just that I want to make sure that my posture is really great, so I wanted to get some ergo loupes. So the loupes that I went with were the Ergo Elite loupes here at Enova, and they're pretty much the most common loupes that Enova sells right now. And this is going to help me keep a neutral posture while I am doing my work, so I don't have to tilt my head down to look at my work. I can just keep my head in the correct position, so I can keep my correct posture while also being able to do my work in the way that it should be done. So yeah, this is the box that the loupes come in. Oh cool, they put my name on here too, awesome. So yeah, there we go. Malachi Wright DDS. That's crazy. Alright, I think that's probably going to be like a brief thumbnail or something. But anyway, let's get into it. This packaging is very sturdy. Like, it feels like a bullet type of box. If you ever had like a gun case or something, it feels like something like that, like a briefcase or something. But yeah, it feels pretty sturdy overall. The packaging is really nice too. I really like the design of the packaging here. I think it's pretty intuitive. Okay, so a lot of stuff in here. Let's see if we can figure some of this out. Okay, so I had this, right? That's something. I think that's, okay, so the power pack, right? That's that. And then this looks like another one. So it comes with 2 power packs, I'm assuming, which is pretty cool. All right. This is a screw kit for the light assembly. Apparently they gave me this free gift, which was some type of mirror. I don't know, I can't remember the brand of it, but apparently it was like some pretty decent or well-known brand. I'm trying to see if it's on here, but oh, Zurich, a Zurich mirror. I heard it's pretty good, so that's awesome. We always love free stuff. This is one of the things I really love when I was talking to the rep about Innova, is he talked to me about the nose pieces for the actual loops, and I like that these have nose pieces that you can change out, because for me, I feel like whenever I'm wearing my glasses, the pieces of the nose is something that's really important to me because I have a very sensitive nose. So I'm gonna be trying these out to make sure I get the right ones that fit. That's a cleaning cloth right there, and then yeah, this is instruction manuals. So we got some instruction going on. I'm not too sure about what that is. I don't even think these are the 2 that I got, but let's see about that. Okay, let's open these loops up, shall we? All right, and these are it. The Innova Ergo. I think that Ergo, yeah, Ergo loops. So one of the big things I was considering when looking at loops is I really wanted something that was really light and that I really couldn't feel on my face. I wanted something that was really light. The cool thing is that they came to my school and they measured everything for me. So they took my interpupillary distance. They made sure that it was at the correct working length for me. And if there's something that needs to be adjusted, then I can go back and get that adjusted as well. But let's see if they are as light as he said they were going to be. And yeah, these are very, very light. Let's see if I can, yeah, there we go. Okay. So the working length is definitely good. I can definitely see everything I need to see, like right there in that range. Super clear. And the awesome thing is they have my prescription in it as well too. So it's kind of unique to see everything I need to see with my prescription in it as well, which is also awesome. Wow. This is very clear, super clear. I have the 3.5x as well. So everything is 3.5, the size that it originally is. And I'm just looking at my hands right now. So I don't know if you all can see my hands, but this is pretty much my working length when I'm doing dentistry in the chair. So I can see everything on my hands that are all the way down here with just working like this. So I'm quite sure if I have my tools in my hands and I'm working in the mouth, I'll be able to see everything just as clear, and I don't have the light on yet. So I want to get the light on, make sure that that is working well, and see how heavy it is with the lights. Right now, this is something that's pretty light, and it's something that I do feel very comfortable using. I'm going to make sure that it just continues to work out in my favor, but overall, I think for this unboxing, I think that's all I pretty much want to show you guys. So we don't have too much here left here in the box, but the light itself, and looks like the charging cable for the battery packs, which is pretty cool too. So charging cable for the battery packs is here. Yep. And yeah, so I'm gonna take some time and play around with this. Truthfully, feels like I don't even have anything on my face. These are pretty light, and I'm really happy about that because the ones I have on Amazon are very, very heavy. But overall, I'm gonna be giving you guys further updates about my experience with these loops, and I'll keep you all in the loop. Oh God, that was so bad. That was so bad. I'll keep you all in the loop about these loops, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please be sure to like, comment on this video, and let me know what you all think. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.